Hope you're having a great day. Sooeylife here. I am 53 and I am sharing anti-aging tips and face massages with you guys. The massages I'm showing you are the ones that I've been doing and I know they really work. Aging cannot be stopped, no, but we can slow it down. Yes, we can. So leave comments down below. I'm always happy to hear from you. Every week there's a different massage on my video. Do this with me every week to take care of the whole face and look younger. Today I'm going to do a face massage that's brightening your skin and also facelifting. This is the massage I do when I look in the mirror and my skin looks dull. I do this one. So do this with me and it really works. If you want to get extra anti-aging tips, join the membership. The link is down below. Are you ready to look younger? Let's get started. First, rub your hands together for 10 to 20 seconds. Next, tapping for 20 seconds. Next, make your hands like this, all the way up, so up to here. Do this 10 times. Next, make your hands like this. So do this for 20 seconds. Next, switch the side, same way. Next, make your hands like this. Do this for 10 seconds. Next, switch the side, same way, this way. Do this for 10 seconds. Next, along your jawline, same way. Next, for your forehead, same way. Next, tapping.